Too much energy. Really? That's what they took him back, or maybe I don't know. He just say it's very hard for them. We don't have no time. They so sad, no time to play with the dog.
What's happening here? What's happening here? What's happening, little boys?
Where do you take him, Toronto?
Reprisado.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy. Be nice.
We live not very far from here, you know.
Be nice.
Not too far.
Daddy. Hey.
Who was that?
Cool.
What's that?
Huh.
What happened? What happened? What happened here, little boys? What happened?
You're a big boy. Big boy.
Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you overwhelmed with so many dogs? You're used to the dogs because you go to the park all the time, but not so little puppies. Not so little puppies, right? Right? So he doesn't have all the vaccinations. So he's not only the first one, right? Brody, right? Yeah.
All the rest of it finished.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
First shot, second shot, third shot, waiting.
Oh, okay. Oh, the rabies too. Oh, wow. Okay. Did you do that here or they do that
We do one.
first? Yeah. They do the rest.
Give him some water.
Actually,
No,
no,
dude.
4 months old, not 3 months old.
4 months old? Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, chocolate söt. Good on you.
It's very small for a 4 months old, no? I don't even remember how Teddy was. Oh, are you drinking water? Oh my God, you're thirsty because you're playing so much. You're playing so much.
Tired?
You tired?
Too much puppiness for you? You're not used to so many puppies around you?
Brody's still. Oh, Brody's over there. Okay.
You always bother the girl.
He's so playful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's a fluffer. He's a big boy.
Look
He's
at
a
that.
big boy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Baby. You're so cute. You are so cute. Oh, look at your hair. Oh my goodness. You want water or you just want to play with the bottle? You want to steal my bottle? I won't give it to you. I won't give it to you. No. No. I won't give it to you. I won't give it to you.
Thế thì quá chứ.
I don't want to give
Thế
it
thì
to
quá
you.
chứ.
I don't want to give it to you.
Thế thì quá chứ.
So cute.
Hay quá chứ. Hay quá chứ cô chú kia.
Dallas is not their mother, no? Or is Dallas their mother? No. Different. Yeah. I remember that. Cute age for puppy.
Teddy, you're exploring.
What toy do you have here? What's this one?
Để cho lang này pe Teddy. Aku doyan. Când eram mic.
Are we playing?
Nici doamna asta nu l-o mai recunoscut.
Are they smaller? These are smaller, right?
They are bigger. They are mini cockapoo.
Oh, they're
15 pounds.
Oh, okay. So they're big. Because now they are smaller, right? Like,
Yeah.
how old are they now?
They are 10 weeks.
Oh, okay. That's right, because they are like, younger. Daddy is not participating in the puppiness. Too much puppiness for him. Too much puppiness for Daddy. Yes, Daddy? Yes? Are you overwhelmed? Too much for you? Oh my
Go play, Teddy. Go play.
They are so
It's
cute.
thirsty.
Oh, oh, oh. Brody. Did you change his name?
No.
Because you said Bromley first and now he's Brody or something like that.
I don't know how to call. The owner give him name is Bromly.
Yeah, Bromley. Okay.
Bromley, right?
Yeah, Bromley. Oh, okay. So, oh, I see. So that's why you said Brody. Oh, I get it. They're gonna steal the bottle again. They're gonna steal the bottle again. Yeah, little thieves. Little thieves. Yes. Little thieves. Yes. Yes.
Так, хватит.
Yes.
Пойдем. Пойдем. Не влезай, папе.
Little thieves.
Я. Маленький потик по себе.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Doamne, ce drăguț este. Uite și mă. Ăla-i. Brody se duce după Teddy. E clar. Atrade. Teddy.
Teddy, come back, Teddy. Come back, Teddy. Come back, Teddy.
Oh! Collision. Puppy collision.
Where is Teddy? Oh, there.
I have a dog in the backyard.
Oh, you have a dog in the backyard? Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Daddy, come back.